I think this is a good place for Eli to fly. As you can see, it's good vision and wide. Yeah, let's try if Eli can fly good here. Most probably he's gonna land on the ground. Yeah, because he never landed on my hand outside. At home, it's possible, but outside, never. But we'll see. The wind is coming this way, so I'm gonna let him fly against the wind. Yeah. We'll see if he can do it or not. Please, live here. Eli. Eli. Oh. Good, good. Eli. Eli. Good, good. Eli. Eli. Go. Oh, 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 Eli. Eli.
Later.
I can see his location is there. Eli! He's 140 meters away from me. Come here. Eli, 过来 Eli! Eli! Oh! Yeah, I already sent the boys back. Ask for the stick. Eli, 过来 Eli, 过来 Eli. Eli.
1 hour later.
Eli. They have a long stick. I think
Dito kayo banda para medyo mali.
we have the long stick. Long stick is coming. Eli! 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 Where? Where? The other way? Don't get, I'll go first. Should be this direction. Oh yeah, coming. Oh, oh, Eli. Okay, I'll go there. You guys here, wait here. Oh, Eli! Eli! Eli!
A few moments later.
Please help me to hold him. I'll jump. It's okay, he's not biting. He's not biting. Got it! Thank you, thank you, thank you. Eli. Oh.
Making a problem.
Yeah. Every time he flies. Oh.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you.
thank you. What? No, he's not.
No one can fly around.
What? No, it's flying?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. You hold him and find Noah. Where is Noah? I think Noah is...
Eli tubig.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
5 minutes later.
Noah, 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 Noah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Thank you, the best rescuer of the team. Thank you, Noah, Noah, Noah. Let's go. It's good to have GPS. I can see where he is. Okay, let's go. Earlier, while we are trying to rescue Eli, Noah went out for me. He cannot wait. He just fly there to find me. Good boy, Noah. Good boy. And we have the GPS, so every time I know where they are, that's safer.